Hello, I'm going to show you an exercise which is going to be fantastic for runners. It trains the hamstrings and the glutes. It's called a single leg Romanian deadlift, and this is how you do it. I'm going to work my right glute, so I'm going to bring my right leg backwards slightly. I'm going to press the ball of my foot into the ground so the heel's in the air. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but I like to reach with my right arm, okay? So I have this arm out here like that, and I'll reach down to the floor, but I won't be reaching away from my body, right down to the floor. My knee is soft, and I'll go as low till I feel a stretch at the back of the leg. You'll notice that my hips are above my hip line. A common mistake is to let go of that lumbar spine, let the back round, and go right down to the ground. If that back rounds, you will not feel the stretch of the hamstring, and you'll feel more lower back on the way up if you do it this way than you will the target muscle, the glute. Okay? I've done a previous video about how to nail your hip hinge. So if that's something you struggle with, I'll go back and watch that one. So your single leg RDL, you will feel the hamstring lengthen and the glute bring you back. Try and keep your hips level. If I exaggerate hips that aren't level, it would look like this. You'd go really high. Now that might happen if your glute medius is tight, and you can address that with various stretches. So give this a go. And if there's anything really hindering the movement, I would seek to an exercise professional, message me myself, and I'll help to set you straight. So that's the single leg RDL. Hamstring stretch, glute engage. One last tip, it's a good idea from this point to think about thrusting the hips forward as opposed to simply just standing up. So 3, 2, 1, stretch, thrust the hips forward, we work that glute. I hope that helped.